to separate it this way. Finally, myself and Sijit sir was there and we
Started
decided.
the company.
So then we didn't keep the name and all. Finally, we were discussing. We want to keep some good international name, and all of a sudden, Magnus has come. And we started printing everything. Whatever application form, book, all the printing work, everything we have. When we applied for this domain, no, that name has been registered by bucket.com, namebucket.com.
Achha.
Immediately, almost 2.5 lakhs something credit card payment we made, and we got that name because somebody has blocked that name. Magnesa. Then we started searching what is the meaning and all. Then only we came to that it's attraction, soft attraction. Like that, everything E is our partner, not we. E made us start the company. E is supporting us. Everything. I always say this statement. So many people are challenging us, disturbing us. They can disturb us, but they cannot destroy us. Okay. Anything. Because Allah is a partner. That is our strong
আমাদের
belief.
চলার পথে অনেকে আমাদেরকে বাধা দিবে, বিরক্তির কারণ হয়ে দাঁড়াবে, কিন্তু আমাদেরকে ধ্বংস করতে পারবে না।
So,
বিকজ আল্লাহ ইজ আওয়ার পার্টনার, আল্লাহ আমাদের সাথে আছে।
See, we are nothing.
চমৎকার,
He operates us.
অসাধারণ,
See,
excellent.
every day, believe it or not, this COVID time, so many companies had gone.
এক্স্যাক্টলি।
But we had opened 3 new offices.
সব কোম্পানি যেখানে বন্ধ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, ম্যাগনাস আরো 3টা নতুন
Including
office।
Bangladesh, 4 office.
Okay.
Chennai, big 7,500 square feet office. 26 inshallah opening. Work is happening. Kohima, big office.
চিন্তা করা যায়।
And Imphal, not Imphal, Aizawl, Mizoram, big office. This COVID time itself. And one big warehouse in Guwahati. Assam.
গুয়াহাটিতে আরেকটা ওয়্যারহাউস হচ্ছে, 4টা নতুন অফিস হয়েছে।
So,
Because
this
Allah is our
all
partner.
because of Almighty. So, December and all, usually business will be very dull. This December, Christmas, New Year, all go.
Right.
Northeast, no, our major business was from Northeast.
কমপ্লিকেটেড
But
মান্থ।
This, honestly, this year end, we had a big business. 31st night and all, very difficult to close at 12 o'clock. That final closing was happening and it was good. So what I'm like to say you all is, never ever underestimate yourself and never ever underestimate company. We are huge. We are huge. Even I cannot even imagine. I know. Okay. But I will end up with a small 2 stories. Here I like to say 2 stories. Huh?
হ্যাঁ, শিওর স্যার।
You all know egg.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Anda.
अंडे का बंदा।
Chicken.
Yeah.
Anda will be a big chicken will sit for chicks. How many days you know? 21 days.
21 days.
Correct now?
Yes.
So 20th day, first 7 days it will be in a liquid stage inside the anda. Then slowly 20th day it will be full of inside the shell.
New life.
Chick will be there. And 20th day, angel will go inside the chick, inside the shell, hard shell, and talk to the chick. You know what angel will say? Tomorrow you are going to come out to the world. Tomorrow you are going to come out to the world. You can even translate after this.
Okay.
So, this chicks will ask, world? How big it will be? Angel will say, beautiful, this, that. And the chick will ask, 2 times of this size. Chick is thinking that the life is only this inside the shell, and it is asking the angel, it is 2 times bigger than this. Angel will laugh like this and tell, no, it is much bigger, beautiful, water, green, that. And then this will ask 4 times or 8 times. The angel will say, tomorrow you are going to come out and see the world. The chick will ask,
like
how to come out? Because the shell is very hard for the chick. It's a feathery chick, no? Very, very hard. Angel will caution and go that tomorrow if you are not coming out, you will die inside. You won't live one more day. So if 22nd day means it is dead. So with the fear of life, the chick will start eating with the head, with a small beak won't be there. Only skin will be there. Hitting. Finally, this beak will become strong. Hitting. 24 hours hitting. Finally, it will break.
then
and
becomes new life.
see the
World.
world. 4 times? 8 times?
No.
How big?
1,000 times.
1,000 times?
No.
Never ever
Uncountable.
underestimate that. Same way Magnusa. Okay, never
Achha,
ever. Whatever you think, it is beyond bigger.
আচ্ছা
Okay.
আমি কি এটা ট্রান্সলেট করবো?
না বুঝে গেছে সবাই বুঝছে
You got it?
বুঝছেন না?
হ্যাঁ বুঝে গেছে ট্রান্সফার করার
Okay.
দরকার নেই আমরা সবাই বুঝতে পেরেছি
So finally, my
Good
statement
job,
I'm going to
Mr.
give.
The second story, sir.
দারুণ
Not a story, a small statement.
Statement.
See one flight, one big flight with lot of passengers going in the air. Take off, autopilot mode. You know what is autopilot mode?
Yes.
Runway, pilot will be there. Take off, pilot will work.
Yeah.
Then once if it reaches altitude, height, all computerized. It is called autopilot mode. Without the help of the pilot, it will go. It was going in a business class. Okay, one small cute girl, 4 years girl was doing a painting in that. Small scribbling, something, smile, painting. One businessman, like a brother, was watching that girl, surprised how happy she is, how beautifully she is drawing. Suddenly one announcement is coming that they are facing turbulence. Everyone fasten your seat belt. Flight was shivering like this, going like this. Everyone started screaming, Allah, many things, shouting, crying, everyone. Entire flight was, because the way it goes, everyone got shocked. But this cute small girl, know what? She was smiling and doing beautiful painting. No scare, nothing. She was happy. Finally, after 10-15 minutes, it got settled and it was going, and it had a very good safe landing. This businessman asked that girl. Everyone was crying and screaming and praying. You was very happy and doing your work. How come? The answer given by that small girl is, why should I worry? Captain is my father.
Yes.
So you don't worry about anything. Captain is there to take care of everything. Okay?
Yes!
Excellent.
Captain.
Thank you so much.
Excellent.
Thank you so much. God bless you all. We'll make it big. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So captain is our oxygen.
So you all be free, you all be happy, you all be safe. Captain will take care of everything. That is the statement of this. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.